Let's be honest. AI projects can feel, well, a little chaotic, can't they? They're incredibly complex, they're often unpredictable, and they're this weird mix of deep research and hardcore engineering. The challenges you face managing them are, to put it mildly, pretty unique. Now, just for context, this explainer is drawn from Chapter 10 of a 15-chapter course. It's called Comparing Project Management Methodologies for AI Implementations, and it's by Virtualization Options LLC. Today, we're really going to zero in on one powerful tool from that chapter, Jira. So that's the big question, right? How do you bring some order to all that chaos? How do you get a real handle on what your team is doing, and maybe more importantly, figure out if it's actually moving the project forward? Well, we're going to tackle that head-on by looking at Jira. Here's our game plan. We'll introduce it as a kind of digital command center. Then we'll walk through the blueprint for setting it up specifically for AI. After that, we'll share a playbook of best practices. And we'll wrap up with the payoff, what all this really means for you and your projects. All right, let's dive in and start with that big picture view. Think of Jira as your digital command center for every single AI initiative you've got going on. So what is Jira, really? Well, at its heart, it's an agile project management tool. But for our purposes, it's much more than that. It's the central hub that helps your team manage that entire winding journey of AI development, all the way from the very first piece of data to a fully deployed model in the wild. Now, here's what makes Jira such a great fit for AI. First off, it's super flexible. You can customize it to do almost anything. It also fully supports agile methods like Scrum and Kanban, which, are perfect for the experimental nature of AI work. Plus, it has a massive ecosystem of integrations, and it's fantastic at tracking those messy, non-linear workflows that are just part of the deal in AI. Okay, but any tool is only as good as its setup, right? So in this next section, our blueprint, we're going to look at how to configure Jira so it's actually speaking the language of your AI team. This is where it gets really, really powerful for you as a manager. Instead of just having generic tasks, you create specific work items that mean something in AI, like a model experiment or a data quality issue. This isn't just semantics. This gives you a crystal clear view into where your team's valuable time and effort are actually being spent. And you can literally map out that whole journey. You can build a visual workflow that mirrors exactly what your team does, from an idea sitting in the to-do column, through data prep and model development, all the way over to deployed. The big win here? Any stakeholder can look at this board and get an instant status update. No meetings required. And this is how you translate all that technical work into real business insight. With dashboards, you can set up a model pipeline view to see project status, a data quality dashboard to keep an eye on risks, and even a performance metrics chart to track results over time. This is how you stop guessing and start making data-driven decisions. Okay, so you've got the tools set up. Now for the playbook. These are the essential practices that'll help you get the most out of it and really drive your team's performance. First up, use epics. Just think of an epic as a big project folder for a major capability, like build a new recommendation engine. All the little tasks related to that goal get grouped underneath it. This gives you a fantastic high-level view of progress, which is absolutely perfect for reporting up. Next, you've got to link your issues together. A model training task can't start until a data preparation task is done. By linking them, you can see those dependencies visually. And why does that matter? Because it lets you spot potential bottlenecks and traffic jams before they grind your project to a halt. And please, automate everything you can. When a piece of code passes its tests, a task can automatically move to the next column. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about taking the administrative busywork off your team's plate so your highly paid, brilliant people can focus on the hard, innovative stuff. And finally, integrate. You have to connect Jira to your team's other tools, like where they keep documentation or track their experiments. When you do this, you create a single source of truth. You can click on a task in Jira and immediately see the research, the code, and the results connected to it. Full traceability, end to end. So, after all this setup and all these best practices, what's the actual payoff? What do you get out of it? Well, you get a true AI project command center. Let's break down what that means. Let's boil it all down. A well-managed Jira setup gives you clear visibility into progress and problems. It creates a common language so your tech folks and your business folks can actually understand each other. It gives you a structured way to manage wildly experimental work. It hands you data-driven insights for making smarter decisions. And it creates a complete, unbroken record of an idea from the moment it was born until it's out there working in production.
And I think this quote from the source material just sums it all up perfectly. The goal is to support team productivity and project visibility, not to create administrative burden. It's so important to remember that. The tool has to be an enabler. It should never, ever be a source of friction for your team.
So, I'll leave you with one final thought to chew on. Take a hard look at your own projects and ask yourself this question. Is your current project management tool truly enabling your AI team, or is it just creating more work?